You made a mess down there, Sarah.
Starting to regret bringing me back?
Never.
I heard about what happened with your friend Tychus. I'm sorry.
He made his choice. I made mine.
Maybe you should have let him kill me. I slaughtered millions as the Queen of Blades.
That wasn't you, Sarah. Leave the past behind, and let's focus on getting out of here. I'll suit up and meet you here in an hour.
Okay. That sounds good.
My ship is prepped and we're ready to go. Heading your way now.
Warning. Dominion forces in sectors 3, 4, and 6.
Sarah.
All personnel must evacuate.
This is Nova. Begin your sweep. Find Kerrigan.
Bravo team, acknowledge.
Sarah.
The killing will never stop. Until Minsk is dead. I'm going to make him pay.
That's enough of that. Get it together, darling.
Bravo team, come in. Are you there, Bravo? All units to Sector 6. Go, go, go!
We gotta go.
Been a long time.
Like riding a bike.
Yep. Like riding a bike.
Jim, do you read me?
We read you.
Kerrigan, I'm glad you're alive, but we're cut off from your location. You'll have to fight your way across the lab to the tram station. That will take you to Jim's ship.
Roger that, Junior. We can handle it.
Safety's off. Work to be done. I gotcha.
Back in.
Marauder ahead. I'll take him out with a kinetic blast.
Hostiles on the right.
Heading out. Sweeping. Pushing ahead.
Dominion insertion team, help us take them out.
Covering ground. Sweeping. Heading out.
Never say die.
I gotcha.
Raynor, Kerrigan, this recovery terminal will heal you and restore some of your energy. Good luck. I'm getting out of here.
Looks like this thing is all out of juice.
Those Marines are clustered pretty tight. I should be able to handle them all with crushing grip. Sweeping.
The way is clear. Move out.
Another wave of Dominion insertion teams incoming.
Look up! Ahead. I gotcha. On the same. Where are the Emojins going?
Let them go their way. We'll go ours.
I gotcha. Covering ground. Sweeping. Covering ground.
Almost to the tram station. It'll take us right to the shuttle bay.
The corridor is blocked. You'll have to cut through the sublevel to reach the tram.
Sweeping. Pushing ahead.
Come in, Valerian. The main corridor is blocked. Can you open side door A12?
I can. Be ready, though. The Zerg specimens got loose in the attack.
Yes, I can sense them down there, but I don't think I should control them again.
I won't ask you to do that. We'll handle them.
The door will open in 3, 2, 1.
I got you.
Too many Zerglings!
Right. Work to be done. Sweeping. Heading out. Covering ground. Pushing ahead. I got you.
Kerrigan, my forces have taken control of the security hub. We're putting this facility on lockdown. Make this easy on everyone, and surrender now.
Right. On the same page. Sweeping. They're trying to trap us.
Come on, darling. We gotta make it through those doors.
I got you. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. Sweeping. Pushing ahead. On the same page. Work to be done. Heading out. Right. Covering ground. I gotcha. This reminds me of the old days.
My hair's got more gray in it.
And my hair's got more Zerg.
Right.
We made it. Covering ground. Right.
Keep moving. They're about to seal the area.
Pushing ahead. Heading out. Right. Pushing ahead. On the same page. An Ultralisk. Let's see how it likes a kinetic blast. Covering ground. Sweeping.
It's a mess down here.
We've been through worse together.
Target acquired. Located Kerrigan and Rayner.
Sweeping. Right. I got you.
Lord, woman. How many Zerglings did you make?
Yeah, I may have gone a little overboard. Work to be done. Pushing ahead.
Destroy the debris. We gotta reach that door.
Sweeping. Work to be done.
We made it.
Are you surprised?
Keep going. There's only one more door between you and the tram station.
Covering ground. Right. I sense a lot of Dominion in the next room. I gotcha.
Looks like a rough fight.
They have caged Zerg in there. We can use this console to set them loose.
Or we can use it to activate the gas defenses.
What the hell? Who opened the cages?
Now we've got the Zerg to deal with.
Still at even the odds. Let's go.
Covering ground. Work to be done. Sweeping. Right. On the same page. Pushing ahead. On the same page. I gotcha. Right. Covering ground. Sweeping. Heading out. We made it. The tram is about to leave.
Jim, we're in full retreat. I'm en route to the Hyperion.
Roger that, Valerian. Hail us when you're on the bridge.
Just you and me now, Jim. Let's move out. Covering ground. I gotcha. Heading out.
The Dominion have breached the tunnel!
Right. Covering ground. Work to be done. Heading out. Pushing ahead. I gotcha.
The tram's picking up pace. Stay frosty, kids.
On the same page. Pushing ahead. On the same page. Right. Work to be done. I gotcha. Page. Right. Sweeping. Covering ground. Sweeping.
Our allies
Heading out. This is Kerrigan.
We're out of the labs. We're exposed out here until we reach the shuttle bay.
Covering ground. Pushing ahead.
This better be good. You gonna give me orders?
Our allies are being attacked.
Sweeping. On the same page. I gotcha. Right. Work to be done. Covering ground. Heading out. Pushing ahead.
Our allies
Say again?
are being attacked.
I gotcha. Right. Sweeping. Safety's off. I can see the bay. We're almost there. Pushing ahead. I gotcha. A siege tank. I can take it out with a kinetic blast. On the same page. Sweeping. Covering ground. Heading out. On the same page. Covering ground. Pushing ahead.
The Dominion is deploying some kind of heavy mech in the shuttle bay. Move out! We have to hold them off until the evacuation is complete.
Almost there. Let's follow these guys to the shuttle bay.
Work to be done. I gotcha. Right. Sweeping. Heading out. Pushing ahead. Sweeping. Work to be done. Heading out. Covering ground.
Archangel in position. I've got the shuttle bay secured. All Dominion forces, push forward.
Jim, the Archangel is between us and your shuttle. Jim!
Damn it. Sarah, I'll find another way to you.
Well, you better hurry, or I'll kill this thing without you. Pushing ahead. Cover.
Engaging the enemy.
I gotcha. Heading out. Right. Work to be done.
Target's locked. Drop the pods.
I gotcha. Work to be done. Pushing ahead. Covering ground. This is Kerrigan. On the same page. This is a good time for a kinetic blast. Covering ground. Right. I gotcha. Pushing ahead. Right.
Drop pods incoming.
On the same page. Work to be done. Heading out. I gotcha. Sweeping. Work to be done. Right. Covering ground. Yeah, I hear you. Safety. On the same page. Pushing ahead. Hurry up, Jim. I think another wave is incoming.
Sarah, I'm cut off. I can't get to your location. Take my ship and go.
We just found each other again. I am not leaving you behind.
Raynor, Kerrigan, I'm on the Hyperion. We're setting course for the rendezvous. What is your status?
Kerrigan is taking my dropship. I need extraction.
I understand, and I'm sending a team for you.
Do not screw this up, Valerian.
Kerrigan, I'll see you at the rendezvous. And I'm sorry I didn't listen to you sooner.
It's too late for apologies, Valerian. Jim, I'll take your ship. But if you get yourself killed, you're in huge trouble.
Yes'm. Noted.
Jim, Dominion reinforcements are arriving. The Hyperion is taking heavy fire and my team can't reach you.
Roger that. Get the Hyperion to the rendezvous. I'll find another way off-world.
See you there.
Nova?
Well, well, Jim Raynor. If you'd helped me with my Tosh problem, I might have looked the other way while you got out. But you chose poorly.
All right, Blondie. Take your shot.